another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for the November 2021, just regular base box, boxy box, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to dive right in. We have our little card with the info, and we're just going to reach in at random and pull stuff out and read about it on the card. So first thing up, from a brand called Teamy Blends, this is the green tea detox mask, and this is like a good size. This is $30. This mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, which I love, lemongrass and bentonite clay. Ooh. This natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. That sounds badass. Cannot wait to use that. So, next up from Ilamasqua, which we've gotten stuff from before. This is their Hydra setting spray. And this retails for $26, so it's a bit spendy for a setting spray, especially of this size. I think for the same price, I can get the Tarte setting spray that's like this freaking tall. Like, just saying. But yeah, Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with P-peptides, P-E-A, not P-E-E, mind you, P-peptides rich in amino acids, Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Which is always a good thing, and we'll put it next to my other setting spray that I need to review. Then, from Estate Cosmetics, we have their Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner, and I'm assuming this is just black, so I don't see a color name mentioned anywhere. And this is $12. This ultrafine felt tip liquid eyeliner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing. Lasting all day, it won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. Which is good, because the current liquid liner pen that I'm using at the moment, I think it's starting to dry out. Like, there's still some product in there. It's still kind of good to go, but it's starting to dry. So, yeah. It's time. I'm glad that I have another. It's a different one, so hopefully it works as well. But anyway. Then, from Yensa, we have the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is $35. And this primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. Superfood glow? Yeah, that's what it says. Superfood glow. Infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin-perfecting finish. Well, a good majority of the time, I admittedly don't bother with foundation, so I usually just skip primers, but I would be willing to try that out with one just to see how it is, but yeah. And then finally, from Ace Beauté, this is the Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette, and this is $40. Ooh, you know I love me some highlighters! The Ace Beauté Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless, glowing look. First off, love the aesthetic. Very 1920s, very Art Deco. Love to see it. And then, let's see the palette. Oh good, I'm glad we still have the aesthetic. Yes! Okay, we do have a mirror in here, so I'm going to block that with a box, but ooh, like, can we talk about these highlighter shades? These are beautiful! Okay, like, they're so iridescent that, like, even the light bouncing off of them is, like, making them hard to see at certain angles, but oh my god, they're so pretty, like, especially this pinkish one here, and there's, like, a couple icy ones, and the golden one, like, these are so damn pretty. Like, my god. Like, icy looks like just a normal white icy one. Glowing is gold. Poppin' is also white, but it's like got a pink reflect. Radiant is the pink one, and then Gleaming and Beaming are like copper and bronze, respectively. But I am really excited to play with all of those colors. Like, dude, especially because I've been playing with more pink highlighters lately anyway. I'm like, dude, yes, now I have another one to play with on top of the other colors that I already know I like. So, excited. Anyways, that is it for this box. Like I said, it's just the base box. So anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.